At Quontic, we're the digital bank on a mission. There are over 5,000 banks in the United States, but only a tiny handful of them have figured out that today's banks need to be A, digital, B, built around the needs of the customer and not vice versa, and C, be acutely focused on social responsibility. And there's even a smaller handful of banks like Quontic, which are doing so purely digital and growing safely without being hamstrung by the high cost of outdated retail bank branches. In today's world, the need to be digital and socially responsible has never been more important, and Quontic stands well ahead of the curve in this banking revolution. When we launched Quontic, a uniquely entrepreneurial bank, we knew that people were becoming increasingly mobile, digital, and tired of becoming neglected by old-school financial institutions that didn't adequately address their needs or the needs of their communities. Quontic was founded on the principle that a financial institution can flourish if it puts people first. So we put our money where our mouth is, and we first began providing mortgage loans to credit-worthy low-income families, small business owners, people of color, and immigrants. As a result of our mission to lend to these underbanked populations, in 2015, Quontic was awarded the designation of Community Development Financial Institution, or CDFI, by the United States Department of Treasury. This is a distinction held by fewer than 3% of all banks in the US. Since then, we've proven that banks can actually be quite successful by paying its depositors amongst the highest deposit rates in the nation and then using those FDIC-insured deposits to help borrowers overlooked by other banks. In 2021, for example, Quontic helped nearly 5,000 families who would otherwise have been ineligible for mortgage financing to purchase a home or investment property. And in the next few years, we plan to help tens of thousands more underbanked families realize the dream of homeownership and build a more stable future. And so while we're doing well lending, we're also changing the banking landscape with our innovative deposit products. There are many, but I'll share a few that we're really excited about. First is our high-interest checking account, which actually pays an APY on checking balances that is 33 times the national average. Next is our Bitcoin Rewards checking account. Quontic was the first bank in the nation to develop a debit card program where debit card rewards are paid in Bitcoin. What's more, Quontic will be the first bank in the US to enable its depositors to make purchases with the convenience of a wearable debit card ring like this one, and there's definitely more to come. Most importantly, when we talk about digital evolution, none of it would be possible without a willingness to challenge the status quo, to break molds, and to remain innovative. And none of that would be possible without our greatest asset, our people, and a hyperfixation on our company's culture, our core values, and our foundational guiding principles. I could speak volumes about Quontic's values, but they can be summed up by stating that our team members all speak a language which encompasses a willingness to try new things, an ability to work towards well-articulated goals, to focus on progress over perfection, to embrace conflict respectfully, and to do so with a smile. So let me be clear. While our message of innovation and culture underlies our growing success and our socially responsible commitment to our customers, Quontic is not a startup. We are a profitable, data-secure, FDIC-insured growing bank doing business in all 50 states. Chartered in 2005, we are one of Inc. 5000's fastest-growing private companies in America, named one of Best Banks to Work For by American Banker, and we were recently featured as Bankrate's Best Online Bank and Money's Most Innovative Bank. We believe that we are extraordinarily well positioned for strong growth and value creation for our customers, our employees, and our partners, and we invite you to join us on our mission.